You can use ChatGPT in your browser, but if you prefer having it as a standalone app on your Mac, here is a quick guide to get it set up. First up, go ahead and click the link I put in the description below. That'll take you right to this website. Here, you'll see a button that says Download for macOS. Just a heads up, this version currently only works on Macs with Apple Silicon, so M-series chips. Click that, and your browser will start downloading the chatgpt.dmg file. Once it's done, double-click that file. Then, simply drag the ChatGPT icon into your Applications folder. It's that easy. ChatGPT is now installed on your Mac. You can launch it using Spotlight Search or find it in your Applications folder. Personally, I like to drag it down to my dock so it's always ready to go. The first time you open it, macOS will ask if you're sure you want to open an app downloaded from the internet. Just hit Open. Next, click Log In if you already have an account, or Sign Up to create a new one. I've already got an account, so I'll hit Log In. Then press Continue. You can choose one of the login options from the list, or just stick to the classic email and password method. If you do that, a verification code gets sent to your email. Just type that code into this box, hit Continue, and you are in. Now, after installing, here is a pro tip. Minimize the app so it runs in the background. This lets you summon ChatGPT instantly using the shortcut Option Space. It is a huge time saver. For example, if you're browsing the web and have a sudden question, just hit Option Space, ask away, and get your answer. A second example is the Work with Apps feature. It's super simple. Let's say I'm working inside the Notes app. I hit Option Space to open ChatGPT, then press Command-N to start a fresh session. You'll see Notes is now linked to ChatGPT. This means the AI can actually read the context of the note I have open. I'll just write a prompt asking it to rewrite this text. And there is the answer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to drop a like. See you next time!